how to link or unlink contacts on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. Open up your contacts app and then now just tap on the contact that you want to link and then go to edit in the top right. Now scroll down and then here you can see linked contacts. Now if you want to remove it, just tap on the minus icon. So it's red in color and tap on unlink. Now if you want to link a contact, then tap on the green icon and then choose the contact that you want to link and tap on link in the top right. And there you go. It's as simple as that to link and unlink account in iPhone. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.